Think your old OBD2 scanner is a lifesaver? That little device you plug into your car to read codes, reset check engine lights, and check sensor data. Think again. Here's the hard truth. If you're using an older OBD2 scanner on newer cars, especially 2025 and newer models, you're not just wasting your time. You could actually cause problems, misdiagnose issues, or even trigger expensive repairs that weren't there in the first place. And the scary part, most car owners don't realize it until it's too late. Today, we're going to explain exactly why your old scanner isn't safe for the newest cars, what can go wrong, and what you should do to protect both your car and your wallet. Why old OBD2 scanners can be dangerous. OBD2 scanners were designed for cars built between 1996 and the early 2020s. Back then, vehicles had simpler electronics and communication protocols. Most OBD2 scanners can read basic engine codes, check emission sensors, and reset check engine lights. They worked perfectly for older cars, but cars from 2025 onward are a whole different level. Modern vehicles are packed with advanced electronics, multiple computer modules, and sophisticated communication protocols like CAN FD, Controller Area Network, Flexible Data Rate, Ethernet-based systems, and other proprietary protocols. Your old scanner simply doesn't speak the same language as these systems. When you try to connect an outdated scanner, it may fail to read data correctly. At best, it will give inaccurate readings. At worst, it can send the wrong signals to your car's modules, causing glitches, false warnings, or even triggering your check engine light for no reason. Imagine looking at the codes and thinking your oxygen sensor is failing, only to discover the scanner itself caused the fault. Mechanics often see cars like this, and sometimes they spend hours fixing problems that weren't even real. Using an outdated scanner on modern cars can create more than just false codes. Some older scanners can interfere with sensitive modules. For example, newer vehicles have ADAS systems, advanced driver assistance systems, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and collision avoidance. These systems rely on real-time data from multiple sensors. An old scanner sending outdated commands or trying to pull data incorrectly can confuse these modules. The result: your car may behave strangely. Maybe your lane keeping assist turns off randomly. Perhaps your automatic braking triggers unnecessarily. Or the car may enter a limp mode, reducing engine power until it thinks the issue is resolved. All of this is directly caused by using a scanner that isn't compatible with modern systems. Even worse, some cars now store software across multiple ECUs engine control units that talk to each other constantly. A wrong scan can corrupt communication between modules, meaning multiple systems start acting up at once. That can lead to expensive repairs, often costing hundreds or even thousands of dollars, all because someone used an old inexpensive scanner thinking it was harmless. One of the reasons this issue is so serious is that most drivers have no idea how integrated modern car systems are. In older cars, your engine, transmission, and brakes were largely independent systems. A scanner reading engine codes didn't touch anything else. But in 2025 and newer vehicles, everything is connected. The engine communicates with the transmission, which communicates with safety features like ABS, stability control, and even advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. Let's say you use an outdated OBD2 scanner and clear a check engine light for a 2025 hybrid. On an older car, that's harmless. On a new hybrid, that light could be linked to battery management, regenerative braking, or emissions control modules. By clearing the code, you could accidentally reset calibration values, confuse the battery management system, or make the hybrid drive system behave unpredictably. Some drivers have reported cars going into limp mode for no reason after trying to reset codes with outdated scanners. This isn't a rare scenario. Mechanics dealing with modern vehicles see it often. Another hidden danger involves ADAS systems. Features like lane keeping, assist, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control rely on multiple sensors and cameras communicating in real time. Older scanners don't know how to read or safely interface with these systems. When they try, they can send incorrect signals, confuse sensors, or even disable safety features temporarily. Imagine driving at highway speed with a lane assist system that randomly turns off because your scanner sent a wrong command. That's a serious safety risk many people never consider. Old scanners also struggle with hybrid and electric vehicles. For these cars, a simple check engine light could be linked to high voltage battery modules, inverter systems, or charging electronics. An outdated scanner cannot interpret these codes accurately. Attempting to reset them can trigger failsafes, force the car into reduced power mode, or prevent the vehicle from charging properly. Some EV owners have even experienced dashboard malfunctions after using incompatible OBD2 tools, a small device leading to hundreds or thousands in unnecessary repairs. Then there's the issue of software updates. Modern cars are frequently updated to improve performance, fix bugs, and enhance safety features. Older scanners don't understand these updates, so they may misinterpret codes or fail to recognize new modules. That's why mechanics sometimes see cars that seem perfectly fine but keep generating phantom codes. The problem isn't the car, it's the scanner giving false information. Even the physical connection can be a problem. Some older scanners draw more power than modern vehicle interfaces are designed to supply, which can overheat connectors, blow fuses, or even damage internal modules. A cheap, outdated scanner could, over time, shorten the life of your car's electronics just by being plugged in repeatedly. Why DIY repairs are riskier than ever. In the past, a simple scanner could handle most minor repairs. You could reset a check engine light, read a code, and know if you needed to change a sensor. But with 2025 plus cars, DIY scanning is more complicated than ever. Simply reading a code won't tell you the full story. Many errors in modern vehicles require proper calibration after replacement. For instance, a new throttle body, transmission sensor, or ADAS module often needs factory-level tools to integrate with the car's system. An old OBD2 scanner won't do this. In fact, trying to fix something using an old scanner can break the integration, causing more errors than existed before. That's why many mechanics now warn, don't touch 2025 plus cars with outdated diagnostic tools unless you know what you're doing. Modern vehicles communicate differently than older models. Older OBD2 scanners mainly used simple protocols like ISO 9141, KWP 2000, and standard CAN. Today, many cars use CANFD, LIN networks, and Ethernet-based systems. These are faster, more complex, and much more sensitive to incorrect signals. Using a scanner that doesn't support these protocols is like trying to talk to someone in Mandarin with a phrasebook for Spanish. You might get the occasional word, but the conversation will mostly fail. And worse, you could accidentally say something that triggers a problem. For example, attempting to reset a code for a 2025 hybrid vehicle with an old scanner might disable your regenerative braking system or confuse the battery management system. That can reduce efficiency, trigger warning lights, or even prevent your car from starting properly. Signs. Your scanner is too old. So, how do you know if your scanner is unsafe? A few warning signs. First, if it cannot read certain sensors that your car advertises, for example, tire pressure, adaptive cruise sensors, lane sensors, or hybrid battery data. If your scanner shows not supported or cannot read newer modules, it's a red flag second if reading or clearing codes triggers new warnings. That's a clear sign the tool is incompatible and may be sending faulty signals to your car. Third, if the scanner hasn't been updated in several years, many cheap scanners from before 2022 cannot be updated to communicate with 2025 plus systems. If the manufacturer no longer provides updates, it's essentially a legacy device that is unsafe to use on modern vehicles. What you should do instead. If your car is 2025 or newer, upgrade your scanner. Choose tools that explicitly support modern protocols like CANFD, Ethernet, and hybrid systems. Many reputable scanner brands now offer yearly updates to cover the newest vehicles. Investing in a proper scanner might cost a few $100s, but it's nothing compared to a blown module or a $1,000 repair caused by an outdated tool. Also, consider pairing your scanner with an app or software that can interpret codes correctly. Some systems even allow you to read and reset codes safely without triggering unintended warnings or glitches, and if you're unsure, leave it to a professional. Modern car systems are far too integrated for trial and error. Using an old scanner just because it's cheap or familiar is like trying to fix a modern smartphone with a decade-old charging cable. It looks safe, but it can fry circuits. Old OBD2 scanners were great for cars built between 1996 and the early 2020s, but 2025 plus vehicles are a completely different game. Using a legacy scanner on these cars is risky, potentially dangerous, and expensive. You can misdiagnose issues, damage electronic modules, interfere with safety systems, and end up paying thousands in unnecessary repairs. The solution? Upgrade your tools, use updated scanners, and if in doubt, leave advanced diagnostics to professionals. It might cost a bit upfront, but it will save you a ton of money and headaches in the long run. If this video helped you avoid a costly mistake, hit like, share it with a friend who owns a 2025 plus car, and comment below with your experience using old scanners. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Protect your car, save money, and drive smarter.